Creating Accessible Word Documents. Chapter 1, Document Title. This training video is produced by the Accessibility and Policy Unit of the California Department of Social Services, CDSS. The basis for this criterion is WCAG 2.4.2, page titled. The intent of this success criterion is to help users find content and orient themselves to the document. Document titles need to be descriptive enough for the user to identify the topic or purpose of the page. Assigning a unique, appropriate, and meaningful document title to every document allows persons who use assistive technologies to quickly and efficiently locate and navigate between documents. It is important to provide a unique and meaningful title to every document. In Word, it is also necessary to ensure the file name is meaningful. Let's check the document title and file name of a document using NVDA. In Word, NVDA announces the file name. The document title is still needed as it identifies documents if converted to PDF. To start NVDA, use the keystroke Ctrl-Alt-N. To hear the document title or file name in Word, use the keystroke Insert-T.
CARES implementation status. Docs Word.
To turn off the screen reader, use the keystroke Insert-Q.
Exit NVDA dialog.
And then select OK. Adding a meaningful document title is required, but the built-in accessibility checker in Word will not flag the error if forgotten. To enter a document title in Microsoft Word, select File, navigate to Info, and then on the right side of the screen, navigate to Properties. Under Properties, navigate to Title. If no title is currently entered, Add a Title will appear. Type a meaningful title into the field. When choosing an appropriate document title, there are multiple items to consider, such as the document title is unique, for example, ACL 24-23, provides meaning, this is typically the subject of the document, includes important dates, such as a revision date, and includes important information included in the watermark and/or the header or footer of a document. For example, confidential or draft watermark. Use these guidelines to create a meaningful and appropriate document title for this example. This document is a resource guide for hospice care for residential care facilities for the elderly. Resource guide would probably not be unique, but including the subject of the document, hospice care for residential care facilities for the elderly, ensures that it is unique and provides meaning. There are important dates on this document, version 1120-2018, and there is also a watermark and information in the footer, confidential TSP 2018-01. Therefore, a meaningful and appropriate document title and file name for this document is Confidential TSP 2018-01. Resource Guide for Hospice Care for Residential Care Facilities for the Elderly, version 1120-2018. The watermark and header and footer are not easily navigable by assistive technologies. Adding the contents of the watermark to the document title will ensure important information is not overlooked by assistive technology users. Avoid putting a lot of information in the document header and footer. If you are working on the certification process, please take this time to add a meaningful document title and file name to your test document. For more information about this topic, or any of the topics in our series, contact the Accessibility and Policy Unit at accessibilitypolicyunit@dss.ca.gov.